Hey folks, hey, Professor Johnson here. We are this week diving into color and product development. Not at fibers yet, almost there. But the last module we laid the foundation focusing on fibers and yarns and those building blocks of textiles. And so now you have a little information about um, a little bit of information about what they're made of. So now we're going to talk about how we get them to be what we want them to be. So black's my favorite color. Actually, red's my favorite color. Black is my second favorite color. So the first building block was fibers and yarns, and this building block is dyeing and printing. So getting it in out of its natural state, its natural color, if it is a natural fiber, or getting it into a vibrant color if it is an artificial fiber, because they all kind of start off white. So you see behind me here, I have a Pantone color chart. You're going to learn a little bit about Pantone. Actually, these are all fashion colors. So I have Tiffany blue. I have Coty Chinese red, which is Louboutin. Oops, sorry, let me go this way. I have Tiffany blue. I have Coty Chinese red, which is a Louboutin red bottom. I have Caviar Black, which is Chanel's black, and then I have Hermes Orange. So Hermes Orange and Tiffany Blue are proprietary colors. So you cannot use a color and call it Tiffany Blue. You can use a tone close to this, but this actual number for Pantone for Tiffany Blue is 1837, and for Hermes Orange, it's 1448. So colors are very specific, and some of them actually do have a copyright attached to them. So that's what we're gonna learn about this time. We're gonna learn about how yarns and fibers accept colors in different ways. We'll learn about applying color. So at the fiber, yarn, fabric, or garment. So a color can be applied to any of those, and just really explore how color is so important and what can go wrong if it's not done right. My daughter and I last night were dyeing a bright orange sweatshirt, actually a little bit brighter than the Hermes orange. We added some black and brown dye to tone it down, and it's still orange. She wanted it to be more dirty black with orange undertone, but we're gonna have to go through a couple processes to get it to the color that she actually wants. So that's what you'll be learning this week. You'll be learning about colors, a little bit of color theory, and the dyeing and printing process. Okay, so you know what to do. Same scenario every time. If you have your book, read it. If you don't have your book, you absolutely need it. Like this is when you need it. Next week we'll be diving into a fiber, so you will need that book for an assignment next week. So please get your book. And if you don't have the funds to get your book, there is a copy of the book in the library, in the Chino library, and you can check it out for an hour at a time. You can check it out and use it there. I say an hour, but unless somebody's waiting behind you, they'll let you use it for as long as you need. Okay. All right, so you know what to do. Read, view the lecture, dive into the discussion board, and then check out the recap. All right, next week we're diving into wool. So I'll see you on the other side. Bye.